Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to talk about 10 powerful local SEO statistics. These tutorials will be very helpful if you have any online business or if you wanted to start online business. Also, if you want to learn local SEO to provide local SEO service as a local SEO expert, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So before discuss about these topics or share all the details about 10 powerful local SEO statistic, I want to share the main reason why I am recording or sharing this video with you, because I wanted to share a good news with you. That is, I am going to start a new course, free course, local SEO with real life project. In this course you will learn everything what I do in my local SEO project for my client, and that's why I'm going to share everything in here today. And you can see that here is the full ready file that I have created for my SEO project, and it's very organized. That's mean you are going to learn everything from sketch step by step as beginner. For example, how to set up your project progress report, how to set up table, how to add row, column and other things. And the most important things is that here all the very necessary list that we have to do for SEO. For example, store audit, local SEO basic, the map pack, and local SEO keyword research, local SEO ranking factors, Google My Business, and on-page SEO for local business, NAP citation, local link building, advanced local SEO tips and strategy. So everything you will get from real life project, and that's why today I am going to share this video with you, and I want to share the 10 powerful local SEO statistic in this video. So I hope you understand the main reason. Actually, I wanted to start a free local SEO course that I want to upload my YouTube channel and share with you. So let's get started. So first of all, you can see that 46% of all Google searches are seeking local information. Very amazing. And second one, 76% of people who search for something nearby on their smartphone visit a business within a day. That's when if you rank on the locally, you will get your customers directly from your local search. Then 78% of local based mobile search result in an offline purchase. That's mean if you get 10 local visitors, you will make 8 sales daily only from 10 local search, and if you get 100, then you will make 18. That's so simple calculation. Then business appearing in the Google 3 pack receive 70% of click on local search result. That is totally relevant to Google My Business. I will discuss everything. Not only discuss, I will show on here local My Business, Google My Business lesson or Google My Business chapter. Okay, then 88% of consumer trust online review as much as personal recommendation. 28% of local search result in a purchase. Local search for open now near me have grown by 400 in the last 5 years. 97% of users learn more about a local company online than anywhere else. And number 9, the number 9 statistic is that 61% of mobile search are more likely to contact a local business if it has mobile friendly website. So we will discuss about that also. Remember, mobile friendly website, that is most important for local SEO. Then Google My Business profile with photo receive 42% more request for direction and 35% more click to their website. So here is the all things that I wanted to share, and the main reason to share this information with you, that is I'm going to start create a real life practical project that I want to share with you every step how to do local SEO for any business. So I hope this course will be very helpful for you, and this video also helpful for you. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this information, this video is helpful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.